Welcome to our class on bulbs. We're going to be talking about how to plant spring blooming bulbs. The two most important things when you're planting your bulbs is to consider the height of each bulb and then the depth of where you're going to put that bulb in the ground. One of the biggest questions we always get is when I'm planting a bulb, which way does it go in the ground? And that's not an unusual question for novice people. Make sure your pointy side is always up. Anytime you pick up some bulbs, make sure you take the little label that goes with them. The bulb instructions are always there. Usually they're at the little bit of the bottom on this one. It tells you not only how high this bulb is going to be when you're planting your planting bed, but it also will tell you the depth of how deep these bulbs need to go in the ground. And the depth on tulip bulbs, most tulip bulbs are 6 inches deep. An easy tool to use when you're planting these bulbs is a bulb planter. And what's great about these bulb planters is there are actually inch measurements on the bulb planter. This gets it into the ground easy, and it will tell you exactly how deep you're going down. So I'm going to start by just moving my bulb back and forth, my bulb digger, until I get a little past that 4-inch marking, and then I'm just going to pull up. So I'm going to take a little bit of this fertilizer, and we have 2 different kinds here. We've got bulb tone, which is good for all bulbs, and then also this is a bone meal. And the one nice thing about both of these products is they're very, very high in phosphate. And that's what the bulbs are going to need to grow. So high phosphate is very important when you're planting your bulb. You're going to put it down right into the bulb hole and just kind of sprinkle it around. Follow the directions. Mix it up a little bit with the soil. Remember, pointy side up, roots are down here. I'm going to put it right down in that hole and kind of push it down pretty far. And then I'm just going to cover it up. Now, I'll take a little bit more of this, sprinkle it a little bit on top, and then water it in, mix it up just a little bit, so that fertilizer also goes down from the top down. And then your bulb is planted.